So hey guys, this is the mock interview of a TCS aspirant appearing for Ninja profile. Watch this video till end. Definitely this will help you in your actual interview, and for more details you can check out description. Start with your interview.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me about yourself.
So, I'm Vedika Nimane, a final year electronics and computer science student. I had 81.80% in my 10th, 81.50 in my 12th, and an aggregate of 9.20 during my engineering tenure till semester 6. Since my interest has been aligned in computer science since the very beginning, I explored a lot of options where my primarily focus on the technical skills include foundational programming knowledge on C, HTML, and CSS. And during my engineering, I had taken up courses on cybersecurity, of which the current update was on the current certification was in software conceptual design by IIT Bombay. And during my engineering, I had taken up three projects. The very first one was Vertus, which is a an AI empowered tool basically for organizations. So it is tailored for organizations and stuff. Second was Skill Quest, which is a final year project. We are actually brainstorming on more features that can be inculcated, and then we can decide on the tech stack. Whereas Skill Quest is a project which is being designed for students to focus on their skills. Like once we enter into engineering, we face a lot of issues like what kind of skills to learn, what is to be implemented. So this skill course is a project that gives you a tailored roadmap on how to start with your journey into engineering. And I have even done an internship in CTS Cloud LLP, wherein I took this project of advanced semantic search that helped me understand and intensify my knowledge on how queries are being actually processed. And I've been a part of Debate Rotary Club, and I was even a part of ISAC in Mumbai, which is a committee that hosts international organizations to come in Mumbai and pitch their businesses. And I have even participated in IC STEM, which is an international conference where I led the team. And the topic was how can we secure satellites, and the topic was orbit armor.
Okay. Your introduction is too long, so keep it little short. Okay.
Okay, so can I note down the points? Whatever you say.
Yeah, you can write because if they want to ask something in detail, na,
Yes, sir.
they can ask you directly.
Okay.
Yeah. So just give a short brief of a short introduction of everything, and no need to include the things which you have mentioned, like your first tell the internship that you have done, then your major and minor project.
Okay, internship and the major and the minor project. Okay.
Yeah. And apart from that, the certificate that you have mentioned,
Yes, sir.
if you think it's going right, then you can add or you can skip also.
The certifications, because whatever we ask, like we tell about and tell about yourself. That is how the interviewer proceeds in that direction, sir.
No, no, it's not like that. Mainly what happened, they will proceed in the direction of resume.
Okay. Okay, the
Yeah,
direction of resume.
right. Mainly first of all introduction, then they will jump to your directly to your project only.
Okay, we'll jump to my project. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Next, sir, I have only had this programming in C. So is that apt for tomorrow's interview? Um,
Sorry.
I've only done C programming. Is that apt for tomorrow's interview?
So you don't
Because
know, you know only C, right?
yes, sir, I've only know C, sir.
And you can write code in C.
Yes, can write code in
No
C.
problem. They
It's
but
only a,
yeah, yeah. But they will ask you question that I'm gonna ask you that why you are using C over Java and Python. Why you are not using other language? Why are you using C?
okay. Why am I using C? Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
So in this you have to tell the advantage of using C over other languages.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
C programming offers you various methods in which it is user defined, maybe. So I'm not sure why C preferred over other languages, sir.
Okay. So go through that. Okay. Because this
Yes,
is the
sir.
important question they can ask you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And in your skills, you have mentioned the HTML, CSS, and
Yes, sir.
and you have not done project in that because
So,
they can ask you a question about this also. You know about HTML, CSS.
yes, I know about HTML and CSS. We have used it in our, Skill Quest project. It is a user web interface. Sir.
Okay, so can you elaborate this project, Skill Quest?
Yes, sir. So SkillQuest is a web interface page where when a user logins into the website, he can fill his credentials and what is his status in the skill set that he has. Once that is done, the query will be processed and he will be given a tailored roadmap according to the skill sets that he has given, sir. That
Okay.
is one of the features that SkillQuest has. Second feature is because engineering is more about getting placed into top-notch companies. I brainstorm on this idea. How about we having a virtual discussion round using the non-playable characters? So, like there are companies that have group discussions also. So the user logs in into his website or his user interface, and there are questions that will be displayed, and there will be other non-playable characters present who will counter his points, and effective group discussion will be given, and then at the end of the group discussion, results will be given about what could be improved or something like that. So that is one of the other feature of skill questions.
Okay. As you have mentioned, the exploring the integration of machine learning algorithm to track progress and create tailored learning path, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you explain this? How you are achieving this?
How are we integrating machine learning models into our system?
Yeah.
We are using SBOT model for the same process to integrate that.
Okay. So for machine learning part, you are using SBot.
Yes, sir.
So it is a bot for communication, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And then about your third project, that is semantic search for an e-commerce website.
Yes,
Can you highlight something in this?
yes, sir. Semantic search for an e-commerce website. I participated in the project in such a way that whenever a user like puts up a query, whether it be into our website, how is the query being processed at the backend? So these queries are basically broken down into tokens, whether and they are converted into vector databases. These vector databases are further given to FAIR subject, that is Facebook AI similarity search, wherein further similarity search between the given query and the existing query in the database is done, and quick retrieval is done on the very same processor. So we have integrated FAIRs for advanced similarity search, and we have integrated Flask in the backend side.
Which database you have used?
So there was a customized database given by the system, like by the company. Sir.
Third party application.
Yes, sir, it was an Excel sheet that was given, so we basically filtered out the data set.
Okay, okay. You know the difference between SQL and NoSQL database?
So different between SQL and NoSQL database.
Different.
Sir, SQL database includes MongoDB, and NoSQL databases. NoSQL database includes Redis. So,
You are going wrong. NoSQL is
yes, sir.
MongoDB and
Mongo.
yeah, SQL. There are SQL. You know the difference between MySQL and SQL.
So difference between SQL and SQL is a structured query language, and MySQL is a place where we actually write the code for
Yeah,
the
it's a
SQL
database.
language.
Yeah, good, good.
Yes, sir.
You know what is NLP?
NLP is natural language processing, sir.
Elaborate something.
Natural language processing, it is basically a subset of artificial intelligence and machine learning, where how a human brain works. Similarly, a natural language processing is being created. There are very fundamental models like the McAlpit's neuron model, wherein whenever there is an input that is given, it is being processed with the help of weights and biases. Um, that is how NLP works.
Okay. Good. You know about OOPS?
Oops. Yes, sir. I'm still left to revise on that. I'll be doing it by tonight. But I have a brief understanding about it.
Yeah, I think tomorrow you have an interview.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about four pillars.
Four pillars include abstraction, inheritance, encapsulation, and
Polymorphism.
yes, polymorphism. Yes, sir.
Okay. How will you achieve interference? What is interference?
So could you please repeat the question?
You know about abstract class, abstract method, these things.
Uh, Abstract class, abstract method. Yes, sir. There is a class that has some class is like a blueprint of the entire system, and methods is how we try to access the variables or the type of arguments that are present.
Okay. And what is abstract class? Abstract
Mm,
method or
Abstract methodology.
abstract method and abstract class. Two things are there.
Abstract. Okay.
Yeah,
Abstract.
yeah, go.
So I am not able to recall that right now. Abstract class and
Okay,
abstract
then
method.
I'm tell you. Abstract
Yes, sir.
method is a method which do not have any body,
Okay.
and abstract the class which are defined with abstract keywords are called abstract class, and you need to create the what we say for using the abstract class you have to inherit it
Okay. To
because
use the abstract class, we need to inherit the.
for you because listen,
Yes.
in abstract method abstract class contain abstract method and normal methods also, and
Yes,
what
sir.
is abstract method, it does not have any body.
Yes,
So
sir.
as it does not have any body, so to implement it you need to extend the abstract class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this is the property that inheritance, right?
Yes, sir. Inheritance is the property wherein an abstract class takes
No, normal parent class, child class
um,
extend the property of parent class. This
parent
is
class. Yes, sir.
inheritance.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know
So
about
they'll ask me about the real life example of this also.
real life example of
Abstract class and abstract method.
what you want. You want to know the real life
Mm,
example.
yes, I want to know the real life example.
Okay. Uh, for example, you are building a class or for a student class which you want later you want to update. At
Okay.
that at the time of declaration, you don't want to update it.
Okay.
So when the child class will inherit the properties of parent class, then child class will update that abstract method
Okay.
because it does not have any body. When the object will inherit it, it can implement it according to its use. Got it?
Yes, sir. I thought it somewhat. I will research more about it, sir.
Yeah, you can
Make
do.
me ask.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is data encapsulation?
Data encapsulation is a technique wherein methods of the class are hidden, sir.
No, that is abstraction. I am asking you
Encapsulation,
encapsulation.
encapsulation is having the data, the methods of the member class in a very small format, maybe.
Wrapping up of data and function into a single unit.
Okay.
Okay, in a single unit, we wrap data and function just like a class.
Okay.
In class, it is data member and method. Do you know about these things?
No, sir, I wasn't aware about that.
So you have to write a program of palindrome. You know what is
To write a
palindrome?
program of palindrome. Yeah. Yes, sir. Palindrome is a number wherein whatever is the number given, we reverse it and we have the same number, sir.
Yeah, good. You have to write the program
Can
of
I write the
palindrome.
code? first we can define that 10 is equal to none, and then we can write this particular code which calculates the reverse of the given number,
Yeah.
and then we can compare it. Like for example, if I write if num is equal to 10, we will print that it is a palindrome number.
Okay. You are reversing it wrong.
Sorry, sir.
You are reversing the number in wrong way.
Now is it correct?
Run
Because
it,
it
you will
reverses
find.
the.
No, still there is a. Yeah, yeah. Now.
First, we divide the number by 10, we have the remainder, and then we um, add it to the remaining num plus 10, and then we have the. So, let's say if we have 153 number, 153 is divided by 10, we have the remainder as 3. The 3 is then added to the remainder, sir. So, remainder, I think, can I try it
Take
with some
manual
other
input.
compiler?
Take manual input. No, no. No need to take input from user. Give input. Write n is equal to 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, leave it. First of all, you are reversing in wrong way. Okay. You no need to run
Okay.
from 0 to n. Go through this code. If I will explain, it will take time. Okay. This is the basic
Okay,
thing.
sir.
You can go through it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me the difference between primary key and foreign key in DBMS.
So, primary key is a key. Let's take an example of a table. For example, student ID is a primary key in one of the table that can be used in some other table that will act as a foreign key for the given table.
And what is primary key?
The primary key is a unique key which is unique to every entity in the table, sir.
Okay.
And it
You
is basically used as a foreign key in some other table to point to the given table, sir.
yeah, basically to connect two tables, we use foreign key.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We use foreign key to connect two tables. Yes.
You know about joins and type of joins.
Um, yes, sir. Left join, right join, inner join.
Okay. What is join?
So join is basically used to combine two tables.
Okay. When we need to perform the operations on two or more table, we use join operations.
Yes,
There are the
sir.
multiple type of joins: left join, inner join, right join, full outer join. Okay.
Yes,
So it's always like that we need two table for join,
yes,
or
sir.
for only one table we can perform join. As I told in definition that to perform operation on two tables we use join operation.
Yes, sir.
So if there is single table, can we perform join?
So no, so we cannot perform join operation because it does not comprehend the given definition. Join is used to join if there are more than two tables that are present, sir.
Okay.
So it will be an invalid operation.
No, no, it's not actually like that. There is a self join.
Then join,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
So for that you don't need two table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me normalization.
Normalization is a technique that is used to remove redundant information in a given table, sir.
Okay. And what type of normalization? Different form of normalization.
So 1F, 2F, and 3NF are different forms of normalization, sir.
Can you explain this?
So I cannot explain them right now. I'm not able to recollect.
Okay, okay. Go through that. Okay,
Yes,
after this, because this is the important question. Definitely they can ask.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Now coming to HR questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to join TCS?
So TCS is a platform that will leverage the skill sets that I want to achieve in life, and it will give me a platform to grow and thrive in my career and work on immense projects and collaborations that will make me a better individual into the future. Sir. There are various cultural opportunities that are present that will even develop me as a person. Sir.
Okay. And there are the many students, so how you see yourself different from others, and how you can impact in our team? Why should we hire you?
So, some of the qualities that sets me apart is I am a time deadly person. So, whatever task has been allotted, I make sure that it is completed on time. There is a beforehand monitoring of how can I ace into the given task. Also, I'm a good leader. I can manage a team of people and help them understand their perspectives and even help them even grow in and I can even help other people grow in their careers. Keeping that in mind, I am a critical thinker. So any problem that is given to me, I make sure that it is solved as much as I can.
Okay. And by giving this answer, you can also add the real life example from your personal life, how you have implemented these things. Okay.
Yes,
As you said that critical thinker and proper time management, deadlines, and all. Give one
yes,
example how you have implemented these things.
yes,
Yeah. As you know, for the Ninja, we are providing only 3 LP, right?
yes,
So if you will get opportunity from other company which are performing double than that, what will you do? Will you
um,
leave TCS, and what will be your response to that?
So my response particularly would be TCS is a global company. It provides you with a lot of other opportunities. And I think for me to grow as a person, with money is a secondary part. What comes more into the picture is how I can develop myself and be a better person. And I am pretty sure TCS will give me those opportunities to thrive and be a good individual in the later stages of life. So if there is a case that I have to switch between companies, I will make sure to stay with TCS because that is where a platform is given to me to grow and I can eventually contribute to the company's success.
Okay. Okay, that's all from my side. You performed well, and you speaks very well. So
Yes,
definitely you will get the benefit of this. But go through some technical part,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
because first you have a technical round.
Yes,
So if you will not perform well in that, na, that will be a bad impression. They will
yes,
not
sir.
ask you very difficult questions. Basic questions they will ask. So if you have a interview tomorrow, right, so no
Yes,
need
sir.
to go through new things, just go through the things that you already know and revise it properly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And
Yes,
if
sir.
yeah,
So I've made a list of whatever was there on the Kesri Fox and other YouTube channels. I've created a lot of things that I have to go, like SQL encapsulation, OOPS concept, how they applied, difference between C and C++, why people prefer Java. I've written these questions. I need to go through them once.
yeah,
And I
you
put it.
can go through. And maybe that I have asked you abstract class and abstract method,
Yes,
maybe this
sir.
is the part of Java. I don't,
Yes.
in C it is there.
So they can ask those questions, irrespective of whatever language I say. You need
No,
to
they
know
will not
about it.
ask you. Whatever you have mentioned in your resume only, na, they will ask from
Yes.
that only. So
Okay.
don't, no need to go other things.
Yes.
Thorough only the things which are in your resume. Because if you will
Yes.
not able to answer that, that will be a bad impression.
Yes.
So you can skip those things which are not the part of your resume. First, uh, mind heart that things which are in your resume only.
Yes.
Yeah, and other than that, your HR is good because you speak well. So that's HR round is okay. You can clear that. But for the technical round, I will suggest you just revise once.
Yes,
and basic things and programming part also.
yes,
Definitely
sir.
they can ask you to write code. Go,
Code,
you
yes, so
can.
they'll ask to write code also.
Yeah, sorry.
They might ask to write code as well.
Yeah, they can ask you.
Okay, okay,
Some
sir.
important I can tell you. Go through sorting techniques,
Yes, sir.
pattern based questions, and
Yes,
these
sir.
these questions that I have asked: reverse a number, Armstrong, palindrome, these things.
Yes,
Because to reverse a number, it is a very basic thing. You should know that.
yes, sir.
And
I
don't be
even know.
nervous
Yes, sir.
while writing code. I noticed that you are getting nervous. Other than that, everything is good. All the best for tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Anything that you would, ask about the project or something, anything that they might ask about the tech stacks or something in detail.
I can't say anything they will not ask, but for the ninja, as much I know, they will not ask you to write a code and anything in details. But you should know about your project because they believe that yourself you have done that, so you should know everything about your project.
Yes, sir.
Uh, and they will start from your project only.
Yes, sir.
So you can say that knowing about your project is the best impression on that on them.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
that will be a good thing if you know everything about your project.
Yes, sir.
That will provide you an edge.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't know why I could not answer the technical questions, but I'll revise those concepts, sir, before
Yeah,
going.
you can do.
Yes, sir.
Anything else you wanna ask?
So I actually am a little worried about the discrepancy that can occur in the application form, sir.
And don't worry. At the time of document verification only you will come to know. But don't think about
Okay.
it because if you will think you can't revise your things, so keep it aside and
Okay, sir.
let's see what will happen. Huh?
Yes,
Can't say anything
sir.
because that's the part of their work. Even I can't say anything
Yes, sir.
because these are the things which are managed by TCS only.
So, like during your interview, like how did they verify the document? Each marksheet they took for verification or something?
They just checking whether we are eligible for the interview or not. Like they have seen that okay, in 12th this much percentage, in UG this much, then PG this much, like that. In for
So they're
our
not
side,
checking every mark sheet, no,
they
for
are
the
they are not
undergraduation.
comparing things.
Okay, they're
Even
not
I thought
comparing.
that they will compare with their system whether the things are equal or not,
Yes,
but they
sir.
are not doing like that.
Okay, so maybe that can be a case, sir.
But for the safer side, you can ask them.
Okay, I'll ask them, sir.
So you can ask these things are there. Can you please tell me, like that? You can ask.
Okay, sir, I'll ask them, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Anything else?
anything else you want, like, me to prepare other than the technical or something?
Other than technical, your HR is good, and for the technical, I will suggest you go through the things which you already know.
Yes, sir.
I will not suggest because last moment it's not a good choice to learn new things.
Yes, sir.
You can go through the things which you already know. Go through the PYQ. That will help you a lot.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Later you
Thank you
can
so much, sir.
share your feedback also, and after you can mail me about your interview experience.
Yes, sir. Definitely, I'll mail you about the experience, sir.
Uh,
Thank you so much, sir, for giving your time. That actually helped me understand where I lack,
no
and I can
problem, no
improve in
problem. It's
tomorrow's
okay.
interview.
But
Yes, sir. Because this will actually help me. Like a day before the like the final interview, you understand where you lack and where can you improve in that aspect, sir.
yeah,
So I'll share my feedback with you, sir.
yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much
and
for
all the
giving your
best.
valuable time. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.